How's it going, Carrie? I wasn't totally happy with the video I did earlier, so I decided to redo it with lighter colors. So what I'm going to do is I have my 4x4 tiles. They're all cleaned up with Isopropyl alcohol. And I'm going to put a nice generous dose of alcohol on this because it'll help the inks move a little bit better. And I think we're going to go in with a little bit lighter colors because I think that'll show you a better representation of what I was trying to get to. There we go. Sometimes you just got to shake it. There we go. We're going to go back in here with a little bit of light blue, a little bit of green, touch of orange. We're going to go back in with a little Baja blue. If I have any left. A little bit. And I think I'm going to add, I'm already liking this much better. And let me get this one thing shaked up really good. We're going to come in here with just a couple of drops of gold. Oh, very pretty. And then I chose a completely different purple to try to work on this and see what we get out of this. So now we have a variety of colors here. And let's see what we can get out of this. So, and just kind of swirl it around with the alcohol. Try to get as much coverage as you can. All right. So now we're going to go in and torch this, and we should have much better results. And I sometimes go in with a torch and work on the little areas that didn't get covered. Cool. So I'm going to send you both videos, both the first one and this one. If you want more color on here, it's not hard to do. I'm literally pretty much out of my yellow, but we'll see if we can get just a drop out here. And I have a little bit of flamingo pink. We'll put that up here. Put it down through here. There we go. And that's just the alcohol that's on the bottom of the pan. So I'm kind of liking this much better. It's a little bit lighter. It has a lot more different colors, and it shows the composition, I think, a lot better than what I did earlier. You'll be able to judge the difference for yourself when you see both videos. I did a variety of videos, so it just gives you, some ideas. And like I said, this is just something I do. You can take this, and if you think of anything different to do with it, run with it. I mean, it's really not hard. So we're going to get some orange in here. We're going to get some green. I'm going to get some Baja blue, which I don't have much of. We're going to get some sailboat blue in here. I get a little bit of the lighter pink in here. And where's that purple I just had? Get a little bit of purple in here. There we go. And then I'm going to throw just a touch of gold in here. And it does look dark right now, but as I move these colors around, they should lighten up quite a bit. So let's see what we get out of this.
Getting 101.7 Bull Station from iHeartRadio.
Yeah, we're getting some nice bits of color here, and I think I'm gonna go back in and just add a touch of blue, because I've got a few areas here that it's just not covering. So I'm gonna come in here with, let's see, we'll put a little bit of green in here. A little bit of green there. And I think we're gonna come in here with a little bit of sailboat blue. Up here. Kind of swirl this around a little bit. There we go. And where's my torch? See what we get out of this. All right, we still need a little bit more color in here. Put just a touch of alcohol on these. Help them to move a little bit. And, oops. And for some reason, that one area just does not want to keep the paint on it. There we go. Let's see what we get out of this. Just come back in here with some alcohol and kind of just throw this around. All right. I still have just a few areas that I'm not getting the color I want. These are usually very easy to do, but every once in a while, if I'm not happy with it, I'll keep fiddling, and I might redo something a half a dozen times before I'm really completely pleased with it. But I think you kind of get the gist of this, where, there we go. It's just the alcohol burning off. I'm trying to keep it off of some of the paint that's on here, though. There we go. And all that is I've got some alcohol in the bottom of this. And because there's alcohol in the bottom, it's burning it, which is fine. But I also have some paint from previous paint pours in here, which will sometimes ignite. And when that does, you just try to keep it from burning the paint too much, because the fumes are not necessarily pleasant. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Let's see. That's this one here, which I think came out the better of the two. But I like some of the gold and copper in here. It's got some very nice colors. So just experiment with it. Like I said, these tiles are only 8 cents a piece. And if you don't like it, you just pour alcohol over the whole thing, take a couple of paper towels, wipe it all off, and try again. It's really not difficult, but you do need to follow safety procedures. I do always have something to help put out the fires if I need to. And I have a silicone mat under here so that heat does not get to my table. And I keep, the alcohol itself towards the outer section so that none of that will catch. But hope you enjoy this and hope you try it soon. I can't wait to see what you come up with, Gary. Bye.